Welcome to the Sexual Harassment Training Program. In this course, we will define sexual harassment and outline the steps you and your employer can take to prevent and respond to sexual harassment in your workplace. Okay, before we go any further, let's admit it. It's easy to approach this topic with the inappropriate wisecracking that could make us feel like we're back in middle school. But the fact is, sexual harassment is hurtful and costly, and it's against the law. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits sexual harassment in the workplace. Therefore, eliminating sexual harassment is not only good business, but it is necessary in order to ensure full compliance with the law. Your company is committed to maintaining a respectful and dignified workplace for all employees. Sexual harassment interferes with and needlessly undermines an otherwise respectful and dignified workplace. Think for a moment. How would you feel if you were declined a well-deserved promotion because you rejected your supervisor's sexual advances? You had to endure remarks from a coworker so lewd you could hardly concentrate on your work. You had to avoid a key decision-maker because of constant sexual innuendos, even though you needed that person's input in order to do your own job. High-profile cases in the 1990s, such as the Paula Jones and Anita Hill Clarence Thomas cases, brought the issue of sexual harassment to national attention. During that decade, the number of claims involving sexual harassment more than doubled. As these cases indicate, sexual harassment is not confined to a particular employer type or specific offender profile. All types of employers, in both the public and private sectors, in businesses large and small, have had sexual harassment charges filed against them. Studies suggest that anywhere between 40% and 70% of women and 10% and 20% of men have experienced sexual harassment in the workplace. Take a guess. Approximately how many sexual harassment cases are brought to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, EEOC, each year? 10,000, 15,000, 30,000. Correct. About 15,000 sexual harassment cases are brought to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission each year. After successfully completing this course, you will be able to define sexual harassment, define the two forms of sexual harassment, recognize examples of sexual harassment, identify the negative effects of sexual harassment in the workplace, specify the objectives of a workplace sexual harassment policy, specify actions you can take to prevent and respond to sexual harassment in the workplace.